How come she won't let you go play with the bear? Hmm?
We had a bear outside in our yard and I won't let him go outside.
Wanna go talk to him?
He's like, I just want to go play with the bear. Aww. What's the matter?
Oh, such a poor puppy dog.
Oh my goodness. What? Padme's like, would you shut that kid up? He's like, I'm trying to sleep. Hey, Padme? Jabba keeping you awake? Oh, it's gonna come over by us now.
So tired.
Where are you? Hi. Hello, Boo Boo Bear. Are you upset because Mama won't let you go play outside right now? Oh. Padme doesn't want you on the couch. What are you gonna do? There's no room on this couch. Mama and Padme have the couch. What are you gonna do? Padme's saying no. He doesn't know where to go. Why don't you put your toys away back in the dog toy bin?